What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out at Pasadena. There's a line at Nike. I don't know. Let's go see what's up. Oh, I'm tripping. I thought this was a line. No, this fool's is waiting for ice cream. Okay, let's go see what's up at this Nike. The Nike retail shops have had tons of stuff. So I am curious to see what they got. Start with the women's section up front, men's in the back. Usually do have a little heat section, all the returns. I see a few things here. Okay. The Billie Eilish Air Force Ones. Oh man, the material is like, the material is ridiculous on it. Wow. Material definitely ridiculous. That's crazy. What is this? What size is it? It's huge size. What, 11? Looks way bigger. Okay. Dude got some dunks. What dunks are these? I don't even know. Some gray dunks. Size 11. Okay. Gum bottom. Doesn't look like it's been worn. Jordan 1 low golf. All white. Size 9. They use that better leather on these, huh? Okay. Got a couple of, what are the Brotherhoods? Okay. Some Jordan 1 lows. Size 10.5. I don't know all the prices, so that's why I'm not saying them. Those are usually 170. I don't know how much that is. I don't know how much these go for. Dude got some 7s. I don't remember the colorway. 210 for these. Then dude got some Sakai's. These are huge. These are freaking extra huge. Yeah, size 13s. This is the patent leather ones. Okay. And then the Air Max 90s. This is the Siempre Familia ones. You see that right there. Size 9. Okay. And then in the men's section, dude got a few interesting things. Dude got the Jade 5s right here. The Uno wild card colorway of the Titsukupos, aka Super 3s. Then the Jordan Low 19 Fruity Pebbles. Okay. Oh, I was like, what is this? This is the latest Super Rap 3s. This is for high intensity, HIIT, high intensity interval workouts. And yeah, they're trying to drop some weight, help you be extra explosive, I guess. Okay. $120 for these. Got some good tech on it, looks like. And then the standard Blazers, go for $100. The black ones as well. 90s, Air Max 90s, $140 for all these. And then these are what, 185 now? 185 for the Air Max 97s. All right, let's check out the front. Oh, this is the dopest stuff so far. The dopest stuff. Wait. Let's get it from this side. That's the dopest stuff so far. Let's check out some of the women's. They do have the kids section here as well. And this is what it tells you how people are digging this style right here, because University Blue sells out pretty much in every silhouette, but not this one. Comes with like a little necklace or chain or something. And still that midsole is just too much for most people, it looks like. Got some Jordan 1s, about $100 for those. Oh, those are $145 too, more expensive than the regular ones. $120 for these mids. Oh, the material, they're mids. And then these right here, that's like a nylon version right here. These are going for $130. Do got these mids still as well. These are $135. These are SEs. Kids section, they do got some LeBrons. I don't think I've seen this colorway. Pretty dope colorway. And then got these foams. I've never seen these foams before. Okay. $180 for these. Okay. All right, I do want to hit up one more spot for y'all, so let's go. All right, we are in Glendale, one of the other non-participating stores for the Kobe's. All right, let's see what they got. Dang, Pasadena's been getting way more returns. So there's like nothing here. Usually they got a little something. Damn, nothing. Bam. Damn, nothing in the men's section either. Just the Del Sols. They do have a sale. Ooh, I've never really seen a sale, but it is off of retail prices. We usually get sale off of Nike outlet prices, so not necessarily the exact same. Dude got the 13 Del Sols. That's it, yo. That's it. Actually, these are in the wrong spot. These should be right here. And then the only thing else, really, like the point lanes, that's it. Got some center courts. These are going for $135. Some of these, they just coming up with random stuff. This is just the Jordan series now. This one says Deer 2003. What the hell? Is that the year he came back? I don't know. 2003, was that the last year he came back? Because he came back twice? I don't know. But I do got these bad boys, some Air Max 90s. We saw this at that other store as well as this one. $140 for both of those. Now we're checking the women's section, of course. Got a few Jordans. Just saw these at the other spot. At least we know the price. $130 here. Blazers. What are these doing here? Mids. We saw these at the other spot. $120. The mid leather. Then this is the SC with the nicer leather. The leather seems very thin though. Way thinner than normal. $135. $100 for these. Oh, got some suede on it. Some really hard, stiff suede. Okay. Normally I'd go over like the selection or the prices. Are really not good prices. Not much of a selection either. Got some Vapor Max, I guess. That's about it, dude. That's about it. Damn, just not much to show you. Definitely no Kobe's. All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, next stop at Glendale Galleria. It's not like there's a ton of shops to hit up since not every store is legit here. But yeah, still got a few. Do got a Foot Locker. Let's see what they got. Man, this Foot Locker hasn't had much lately though. I don't know why. Do got, oh, what the hell are these called? Midnight Navy? Midnight Navy 13s? Like they look like the freaking Flints. They just keep reminding me of the Flints. Do got them. They don't look bad. Like I said, I would get those, but got the Flints. This one totally reminds me of like the Minecraft Dynamite on top. Alright, apparently I watch my kid too much playing video games. Is this an... I'm good, thank you. Is this one of the newer colorways of the KD 13s? Okay, some about music and stuff. Okay. Alright, these are going for what, $150 now? No, there are plenty of Presto fans out there. Y'all love the Prestos. These are on sale. Normally $130 down to $100. Another black one right there. What do you guys think about these? The mids. The mids. I'm just not a fan of them. Like, do they need to be that much higher? I don't know. Maybe in certain climates. $150 for those. Do got some sales coming up on these lowlands. Totally remind me of the Dunks. You know, black and white, the panda ones, the cobalt. Talked about these quite a few times. These are normally up to $85, so a little bit of sale. Got that one going on with the all leather, black, white, a little bit of gray on the back. Okay. This one's up to $90, and this one's $90 as well. Leopard print. Okay. And they got some denim ones too, going for $90. It's a little bit much for me. Dude got some Vans on sale. No, these are normally what, $75. Got a few of them. This one has that freaking is that a skull and crossbones? But the skull's a freaking heart. What the hell? What the hell? What's going on with Vans? Dude got quite a few on sale. Okay. Dang, just not much to show y'all, guys. Not much to show y'all. Let's go. All right, damn. I did forget to stop by. I forgot to stop by freaking the kids Foot Locker, dang it. Cause, all right, it is what it is. Stop by Champs right here. And then I think we're done. We're done. Oh snap, is that kid gonna fall off? Ooh, I was gonna see if he falls down. Ooh. Takes the whole rack with him. I may or may not have been hoping that would have happened. Dig out the Del Sols, got a couple of 13s here. So multiple of those up-tempos right there. Air more up-tempos. Those are $160 a piece for those. Is that a Chamberlain jersey? Not seen a Chamberlain jersey anywhere. Oh, Mitchell and S. Okay, okay. So these are the ones going for $130, I believe. Yep. That's pretty dope. Were the numbers that wide back then? Damn, that looks weird. Okay, but that's dope though. Dope. It's XL. Have they always had Mitchell and S jerseys? Like a bunch of these? You got The O'Neill ones, I freaking love that one. I think I have that one. More of the Wilt Chamberlain ones. Yeah, these are fire, dude. These are fire. Oh, is that the? Oh, that's another same one. I thought that was a 3. It's a 13. And then got a Jordan USA one right there. This is authentic though, so that's what, 3 bills. Yep, 3 bills. Yep. UNC colorway right here. This isn't an official UNC one, is it? Oh, it is a Mitchell and S. Okay. So it probably is pretty official. I don't know what the price is. $125 for those. It is NCAA UNC. I haven't seen the footprint like that, have I? Okay, that's dope though. Oh man, I forgot to check the lids here. They got a couple of lids. Oh man, I gotta go for a walk now to the way other side of the mall. Oh man. Yeah, we gotta go all the way to the other side of the mall. Damn, that's on the far side. There's really not much here though. Not much we haven't seen. All right, let's go for a little walk. Wait, they do got new colorways of the Kawhi Leonards. I've never seen this one. That's definitely interesting. I've never seen this colorway of the Kawhi Leonards. $160 for this one. Okay. I think we have seen this one. Seen that one. Then we've also seen this one as well. This is the $100 bill one. Then PJ Tuckers. The PJ Tuckers are on sale. These are fire, dude. I actually got a couple of these for retail. I like the material so much. The material's so nice, suede on it. Damn, I need to put mine on. Tomorrow. I did make it here to the dead part of the mall. My legs are burning from running this morning. First time running forever. So I need to check out those lids because they had crazy stuff. They had a Shaq jersey the last time. They had the sale. They had a Shaq jersey, $50. So yeah, it was a Mitchell and S. So let's check it out. That's what I'm here to see. The sale sign. Are all these jerseys? These jerseys are on sale. $20. $20? Is that a $20 tag? I know these are only the $100. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Really? Oh, the Harden jersey. That's why. Okay. Harden jerseys go for $20. Those are going for 20. Let's see. Is the Westbrook jersey? Is there a price tag on the Westbrook jersey? What's the Westbrook jersey going for? All the other ones. So there's a Westbrook jersey. What size is it? Westbrook jersey, double XL, and then there's. Oh, it says 50% off. So $130. So this is $130. This is a XL. It's $130. So it's going for what, $65? Yeah, this is what had to come, dude. Yeah, $65. LeBron James jersey. This is normally $130. So I think it's safe to assume that this Westbrook one is 50% off as well. $10 LeBron t-shirt. That's a kid shirt. Oh, that's a hoodie. Oh, is that a Seattle hoodie? 30% off. Okay. They got stuff right here, but I don't see a sale sign. Yeah, it's just dang. Because like, this is pretty dope. Lakers shorts right here. These are going for $88 though. I don't see a sale sign here. Got a Lakers one right here. Go for it's a large, $85. PSG shorts, $55 for these. It's a medium. The Grizzlies, Vancouver Grizzlies from way back when. $55 or $56. And this is $85 for these. Some Celtics. Okay. I do see some hats on sale. I think some of the prices that Hustler Hacks had on his Whatnot. I think that's the app. Whatnot sale. I think some of those were better because I bought all my hats for what, $12-13 after shipping. So yeah, I got $20 hats. Nothing too crazy. We're gonna wait to see if it goes down. We're gonna wait until next weekend, see if these prices do go down. But they do have a bunch of hats for $20, $25. All right, I think that's about it, you guys. I think that's about it today. I told you it's the dead part of the mall. They have an armed services recruitment center here. They have a gym. Yeah, this is definitely the dead part of the mall. They have a store called Selfie World. You just take selfies over in it. Like, oh my god, that's the dumbest thing I've ever seen in my life. Damn. They do have a second food court here at Genghis Khan. Got Panda and Blaze as well. All right, let's wrap it up, dude. We're done.